Inside this modern electronics factory, thousands of USB cables are produced every day, powering devices across the world.
USB cables may look simple, but their manufacturing process involves precision engineering, automation, and strict quality control.
Let's explore the complete journey, from raw copper to finished product.
Each batch of copper is inspected to ensure it meets strict quality standards.
The copper rods are drawn through precision dies, gradually reducing their diameter. Cooling systems prevent overheating while maintaining structural strength. The finished copper wire is carefully wound onto reels for the next stage. To protect the copper core, plastic insulation pellets are prepared for extrusion.
The pellets are heated until they become molten, forming a smooth, insulating material. The pellets are heated until they become molten, forming a smooth, insulating material.
The molten insulation is evenly applied around the copper wire. The coated wire is cooled rapidly to solidify the insulation layer. Different colored wires are arranged for power and data transmission.
Twisting reduces electromagnetic interference and improves signal stability.
A shielding layer protects against external interference.
The braided shield enhances durability and data integrity.
Connector pins are stamped from conductive metal sheets.
A thin gold coating improves corrosion resistance and conductivity.
Internal wires are precisely soldered to ensure stable electrical contact.
A flexible strain relief is added to prevent internal wire damage. Each cable undergoes electrical continuity testing.
Data transmission speed is verified to meet industry standards.
Durability tests simulate years of bending and daily use. Tension testing ensures the connector remains secure. Approved cables are automatically coiled for packaging.
Each cable is carefully packaged and labeled for retail distribution.
Retail units are packed into larger cartons for transport.
Finished USB cables are shipped worldwide, connecting people and powering devices across the globe. From raw copper to final shipment, USB cable manufacturing combines automation, engineering precision, and strict quality control.
Thank you for watching Factory Explorer. Subscribe to explore more fascinating factory processes.